What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video, we're going to cover a few different coins. We're going to cover the total market cap. We're going to cover just some information that's been going through my head the last couple days. We're going to just cover a variety of things today. So, click subscribe below. Follow me on Twitter. Let's dive into Total 2. We're going to dive into Total 1. This is all crypto combined into one chart. 2.7 trillion right now. You can see it down here. So, guys, some stuff that I want to say just in general about this bull run that's supposed to be coming. So, number one, like I've said in previous videos, my major concern, and really my only concern with this entire thing is like I've said in previous videos, it's almost too obvious that a bull run is coming, or that November and December are going to be explosive. Now, I know that we have Bitcoin at the illiquid supply. The supply shock for Bitcoin is there, and a lot of things are there. The charts are there, the fundamentals are there, the adoption, the speculation, everything's there. It's just, my concern is that it's just almost too damn obvious. Like, here, I'm going to throw $10,000 into this thing, and it's going to turn into $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, okay? And that's just somebody that's just jumping into crypto now, before the bull run, or, you know, maybe they've never had crypto before, and they want to put in $10,000, whatever. So it's almost just like too obvious. So we'll see what happens with that. I am still bullish. I will say, I'm going to show a quick clip from Raoul Pal that I actually agree with, that this is what I think will happen. And we don't know, but watch this, check this clip out here real quick. I'm going to go here, and hit play. Listen to this.
So markets are all about psychology. And if everybody expects something to happen, it won't happen. So everybody's kind of got in their heads that the cycle finishes in December, because that's what it did in 13 and that's what it did in 17. So my guess is we probably have a sell-off and then it rips again, because that is the path of most pain.
Raoul Pal.
So that is exactly what I'm thinking in my mind, is that it's almost too obvious. There could be a massive sell-off in early December, maybe mid-December. I don't know. I will probably take profits in December at some point in time. I'm going to be watching everything. I'll let you know on this channel. Click subscribe in the bottom right-hand corner. You can see my logo down here in the bottom right. Click subscribe, or click subscribe below. Like, comment. I've still never made a penny off of YouTube. No promotions, nothing like that. The channel is, it's still growing. It's growing. I was off for 4 days. I didn't put anything out. It looks like the market's heating up a little bit. I've been a little bit tired the last couple days, but yeah, that's my thought on the market, is that it's too obvious. And like he said, if everyone thinks it's going to happen, this entire market, everything about it, the ABC corrections, let's pull one out here. I mean, this whole thing is just psychology, and it's just markets, how they move. A, B, C. And we had that since May. And this is all cryptos combined into one. I mean, that whole thing is psychology. I mean, the psychology of the market. So my thing is that a lot of it is almost too obvious. And this whole thing about lengthened cycle, where things are just going to keep going up and stay going up, like Willy Woo and these other people talking about lengthened cycle, absolutely disagree with that. BitBoy, I was listening to him and he said the same thing. It's like, you know, it just happened. It just happened this year. This is the end of May. It just happened, where stuff starts to sell off. Bitcoin starts to sell off. Bitcoin cuts in half. Bitcoin halved again. Bitcoin drops. The market drops, and it comes way down. ABC, you know, it literally just happened where everything was way down. Some stuff way more than half, like Elron and some of these other coins went way lower than half. You could lose every profit you ever think you had, you know, in this bull run. Like, not financial advice. I'm just saying that we just had that. We just had it earlier this year, and everything looked good. Think about it. We had Tesla and SpaceX buying Bitcoin. We had a lot of positive stuff coming up about Bitcoin. It was, you know, adoption. It was good news left and right. It was all kinds of stuff. And then a couple mentions about Bitcoin's using too much electricity, and all of a sudden Bitcoin cuts in half and the rest of the market, this ABC happens for months and months and months. So I fully expect something like this to still happen, whether that's partially in December, there's a sell-off and then it starts up again mid-January or late January, and then we run until, March or April. I don't know right now, but it is almost too obvious for this bull run in general. We're just going to have to wait and see what happens. Right now, there's a lot of conflicting information. We do have some major influencers in the crypto space still saying that there may be another Bitcoin pullback down to 57,000, 54,000. We'll have to wait and see if that happens. It may again, because a lot of the time you think everything's about to take off. You have all these leveraged traders, and then the opposite happens again. There's another correction again. So if anything, in this bull run, especially if we get it, the biggest thing is do not be overly greedy, and don't forget to take profits, or you might come up empty-handed. You need to be prepared and ready to go and be on top of things, and don't get stuck in the mindset. This is not financial advice, but do not get stuck in the mindset that things are just going to keep going up and up and up and up forever. In my opinion, that's the trap. That's the trap that sucks you in, and you come up empty-handed, messing around, and you end up writing this. That's what you end up writing. And I don't know if that's in March or April or May, but we're going to have to watch. And that's kind of the stuff I've been preaching in some of my videos. So actually just, that's what I wanted to say. Let's actually jump into this chart here. Let's jump into a couple charts, because everything I just said, it's important. So right now you can see, again, every crypto combined, you can see the trajectory right now is still, it's still a little flat. And you can see how you can start to get more of this angle here once you get going. And you can see, this is like the first half of the bull run. You can see what the entire crypto market does. Pretty cool. Obviously, you have through here, you have this cup and handle, and you found plenty of support. This is really rough. I'd have to zoom in to give you exact numbers. But roughly, over the next period of time, 3.6. I think I did a 3.58 in another video where I actually zoomed in and everything. But in that area, 3.5 trillion could be the next stop. This is plenty of days and plenty of times that we found plenty of support. So that's just a rough estimation of really what's going on. Let's go to total 2 and then to total 3. So total 2, this is all crypto minus Bitcoin. And you can see very similar chart that what we just looked at. There's not a lot of difference here. Let's zoom in a little closer so we can actually see what's going on. I would actually like to put this on candle bodies. Now that I'm zoomed in, I would like to, like to set it there and there. And yeah, same thing right now. Big old cup and handle. You're getting that support day after day. And if you're talking all the coins across the board, look at that. 4 or 5 nice green and days in a row. So looking pretty good there. Let us go to total 3. I don't know there's going to be too much difference here, but this is everything, all cryptos minus Bitcoin and ETH. Okay, let's take a look here. Let us put in a trend line here. Same thing, it's looking like a smaller handle. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row, moving up, measuring that out, what we've been doing over the last 4 or 5 days. What have we been doing? Well, the market looks to be like it's moving at about 6% over the last, looks like that's 4 or 5 greens in a row. Let me see. 4 greens in a row, around 6.5%. So yeah, this is 1 trillion minus ETH minus Bitcoin. So that's kind of what we have going on right now. We're just trying to get that support and move forward. That's my take on it. XRP and Cardano with some nice movements. Here's XRP. XRP, $1.20. Real nice candle. Getting that curvature out of the line there. This is, looks like it's working on its own cup and handle. It's real rough though. It's been all over the place here with this giant pattern here, and it's been flat right here. This, to me, like I've been saying, XRP, Cardano, a number of coins are doing this sideways, and then all of a sudden they just start making that movement. And a lot of people are just thinking they're dead. What have you done for me lately? You're not moving like Solana. You're not moving like this coin or that coin or whatever. I'm done with you. What have you done for me lately? That is, in my opinion, the opposite of what you need to be thinking. This whole space, the crypto space in general, the whole thing is counterintuitive. The whole damn thing. If you want to be successful in this, I think you need to be a contrarian, and you need to continue to be counterintuitive. Cardano, let's take a look at Cardano, because it made a nice movement today. Cardano 208, okay? Cardano was just at like $1.93 yesterday, and I was just thinking that thing has got to be about bottoming out. Just watching Cardano, you don't even need the charts. Just watching Cardano, $1.93. I mean, I was thinking this thing's got to be. I mean, it's been coiling. It's got to be about bottomed out. And sure enough, I mean, from $1.93 up to 208. So I mean, it's Cardano. Like I said in my last Cardano video, it goes sideways, it coils up, it puts you to sleep or whatever, and then when you're not looking, you're not paying attention, no one's talking about it. It explodes. So that's what happens with Cardano. But yeah, I mean, the biggest takeaway from this video, I would say, is don't get overly greedy. Be set up on multiple exchanges. Be set up on Coinbase. Be set up on a number of exchanges in case we have a crazy bull run, or some of the coins are going so crazy that these exchanges actually go down. You know, maybe for hours and hours that day, and you want to sell something, whatever. You know. Get set up on multiple exchanges. It's best to have your stuff in wallets, not financial advice, but if it's in a wallet, either cold storage or a hardware wallet, or maybe it's an online wallet. Maybe it's something like Trust Wallet or Atomic Wallet, but you have the ability to move your crypto from that wallet into whatever exchange, or you can try to turn it into USDT or USDC within the wallet if it's something like Atomic Wallet. So that would be the smarter way to go. Just be prepared and do not get overly greedy, and do not forget about profit taking. You might go up on some of your coins $50,000, but if you're not careful, I'm telling you right now, if you're not careful and you get overly greedy and you're not focused and whatnot, there is a chance you will lose, and you will lose a lot. Be careful out there, guys. Do not forget how rough the bear market can be and how fast it can come, because just as fast as this stuff goes up is just as fast as it can go down. You need to be on top of things, and remember profit taking and profit taking, and don't get overly greedy. You have to remember that. I don't care which coins you have. I don't care if this news story is that Amazon is now accepting that crypto. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, when the bear market returns, the bear cycle, the bear market, whatever it is, things are coming back. I don't care what the news story is. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to give you kind of some of the thoughts that have been going through my head over the last few days. I still have 85% or so of my portfolio are things like XRP, VeChain, CKB, Cardano. A large portion of my portfolio is holding positions that are going to be held through this bull run and being sold further towards the top. They're macro swing trades, meaning you buy it low and sell high maybe 2, 3, 4 months later. And then I also have my trading bags that I'm actively making trades with on, say, Gate.io or KuCoin, where you can, make large profits on a coin. It shoots way up. You take your profits and you get out of that coin and wait for it to cool off. You can get back into that coin once it's cooled off, or you can enter it into another coin that hasn't run yet that you think is going to run next. So I have my trading bags, and I have all my holding bags. My portfolio is 85% holding, and then I have my 15% trading bags. The 85% holding is not just those coins I named. It's 20 to 25 different cryptos, 85% hold, and then I have my trading bag. So that's just what's been going through my mind, guys. Click like below. I'm going to put out some more videos next. Let's do some specific coins. Let me know what you want covered below. I'll be here. I'll be reading some comments, and I'm gonna chart out some other stuff and hit some coins that I haven't hit for a minute here. We got to get back on track here on the channel. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys, and we will see you in the next one. See ya.